Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to break down Sig Sawyer's 1911 Nightmare. Should be good. It's easy, pretty simple to do, and it takes longer than most guns because it's a 1911, but it shouldn't take that long. Alright, before we break down the 1911, you gotta make sure everything's clear, that there's no bullet in the chamber. So now what you do is press this down. That's the spring. You push this thing right to your right, and you pull that out really gently so the freaking thing don't fly all over the place. So what you can do too is just pull this out or just pull that back, and then there's a notch. As you can see, there's two notches. There's one over here and one right here. You want to slide the slide back, and then on the other side right here you want to push that so you can release the thingy-me-bob or whatever they call it. Alright, now you flip it upside down and it should come all apart. You got this piece, then you pull the spring out, you got the spring, and there's another piece that goes on the end of the spring right here. Now the end of this comes out too, so you put it up like that, and then you just pull it on out. Now the barrel comes out. So now you got your barrel, you got your slide, and you got the switch thingy, whatever they call it, who cares. So now the 1911 is totally broken down now, as you can see. Barrel, that, and that, all that good stuff. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to put the 1911 back together now. It's pretty more complex to put it back together than it is to take apart. It takes a longer time to put it all together, so get ready for that. You want to put the barrel back in, slides right in. It should lock in so it don't move back and forth. Then take this piece and the spring, put that all together, and then slide that in like that, and it should go into the little lip. Make sure this hole is up too, so when you're putting this thing through it, that it'll be back together right. So now what you do is you take this upside down. There's a little lever right here, hang on, little lever, as you can see, that's hanging down. You need to push that up so it can slide right in better, so you don't have anything getting caught up. So upside down, you gotta be careful too, because sometimes you mess it up. Alright, upside down. And what I always do is I keep it upside down and put that through that. And now, same thing with all that. So you want to make sure that it's over that lip so you can hook it all back up. snaps in, and then close it. But now, as you can see, the spring's in there, so you want to put this back in there. You can pull that out, and click that in, click it all the way to the right, put the spring back in, and then do that. You know, be careful because sometimes it shoots out. You want to make sure you rack it a couple times. And that's how you break down a 1911. It's a nightmare. There is also just some different ways to break down 1911s, but that's just the way I do it. There's a couple other ways that you do it. Some do it in order and some don't, so that's just how I break down my 1911s.